don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenda TV. Standard Bank Cup, Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out by penalties. I'm joined by Umshafani.
Bafowethu inhliziyo asithu ukuthelesika hanonwabo bafowethu nginomla ayezo kumqeqeshi wethu bafowethu odu ngathi isenga amandla manje ibhakani yakuwe from bed to wesike manje sidliwe iSundowns uyaphinda futhi na namhlanje usifanga phansi
siyashawa futhi
kweguzu kodwa manje kuzomela uqa aciseke kule game esodlala ngomhla ka28 nungahlulwa iloko usacela uthathe amasaka nakho ushone ekhaya ukhala kulandelana Nkosi yami angikwazi Nkosi yami ukhala ubhlungu yazwela Nkosi yami kwangathi iPirates yakuhlula Nkosi yami ngizacela ukuthi wenze imake sure ngale game yange28 ngoba impela amasaka impela azogqa halumoya Nkosi yami hey ushilo noSherman Nkosi ozongithinta Nkosi yami ngizombohoshisa mina endleleni Nkosi yami ngisacela ukuthi shelele bafowethu ngisacela ukuyolala bafowethu kuyohola halangenqeba bafowethu iyabonga bafowethu.
Thank you very much.